This video is about replacing my 6 years old windscreen wiper blade of my 2016 Volvo S60 with a rubber refill bought online. Replacing both wiper blades would cost me about $100. So I replaced just the rubber of the wiper blade that I order online in my country is about $3.50, but from AliExpress, you can get it for $2. You can also get them from eBay or Amazon. Look for wiper blade refill. There are about 5 types, so you must know the compatible type you can use for your wiper. My Volvo wiper blades are of 2 different lengths, 20-inch and 26-inch. So I bought 2 28-inch rubber refill for both blades. You can order the actual size of your blade refill. I just need to cut the excess material. First, position the wipers in the vertical service position by inserting your key in the ignition and briefly press the start button to start position 0. Don't press the accelerator. Then press the start button again, and within 3 seconds, press the wiper switch up and hold for 1 second till the wiper blades raise up to the service position. As a precaution to prevent any accidental damage to your windscreen, it is best to put some cushion under the blade. I use rubber mat and polishing cloth so that it won't damage your windscreen if it snaps back onto the screen. My Volvo wiper blade can be removed by pressing the center tab button, then sliding the holder out. Sorry, got to place the camera down, need 2 hands to remove the blade from the holder. At the end of the wiper cap, use a flathead test pen to press the catch and remove the cap from the wiper. Do the same for the other end cap, and slide out the old rubber refill. On the original rubber, there is a metal clip at one end of the rubber to prevent it from sliding out after months of use. You can remove and reuse it on the new refill, but I didn't reuse it. I think it is secure without the metal clip. Been raining every day for 1 month, and I've been using the wiper without the metal clip. So far, no signs of any slippage of the rubber refill coming out from the blade. But do keep the metal clip in case your blade refill does slide out, so you need to secure it. Please note that if the rubber refill is wet, it is more difficult to slide in the blade. Slide in the new rubber refill, cap one end, then cut the excess rubber refill if any, plug back both end caps. protect the rubber from UV radiation, which causes it to crack, I wipe 303 aerospace protectant over the rubber. I think it works, as my wiper blade lasts more than 5 years. It also makes the wiper blade's holder look shiny black. Do not switch on your ignition till you have fully assembled back all the wipers. Thank you for watching this video.